John Osborne here with the FX Education Outlook for September 21st, 2017. Started looking at the pound yen. You can see we are watching this rise higher and higher on some pretty good bullishness on our daily and our weekly, although we are getting closer and closer to the 200 bar moving average. You can see that we did break through this resistance trend line on our 4-hour chart. We are breaking through and potentially coming back to retest that before we see if we can resume going higher. We are seeing some pretty neutral MACD values right now, so we're not sure if this is actually going to break higher or not after that break. Other ones we're looking at here, we've got this 1.67229 on the pound loonie, and we've broken above this previous swing here. We've got that echoed here on this 240 chart, and you can see we are breaking above, retesting, so this one could potentially go higher. We're bearish on our bullish on our weekly and our daily, but we're a little bit sideways on our 4-hour chart. For the pound Aussie, we're also breaking above this previous swing high that we see here. This is at 171223, and you can see it's moving up nicely on the 4-hour chart on that break. So watch for that one to go higher. We just broke through the 50 bar moving average towards the 200. On the bearish side, we've got the euro pound, and we've been watching this support line after we went through these couple of trend lines here. We haven't yet come down to touch this previous pivot that we have below here, but you can see that we did go down, touch, and then break through with some pretty good strength through that line. So we're watching to continue this one to go lower. We're starting to look lower here, and we're already bearish on our daily and our weekly, so watch that one to drop lower. For the Aussie loonie, we're approaching this support line that we see here after this move up here, then just failed and had just a steady drop down as we get closer to this line. So we can watch for that potential break right there for an entry. I just don't like the fact that we are a little bit mixed here in our bullishness in the daily, although we're still bearish on the weekly. And finally, we've got the Aussie Kiwi, and that one is breaking nicely through this support line on down further with bearishness on the 4-hour and the daily, and we're still waiting for the weekly to catch up on that bearishness. And that'll do it for today. Until next time, have a great rest of your